Have you ever stopped to think about the ground beneath your feet? It's something we encounter every day, yet rarely do we pause to consider its significance. The soil is a silent foundation that supports life in countless ways. It's easy to take soil for granted. We see it as just dirt, a mundane part of our environment. But in reality, soil is a complex and dynamic system, essential for the survival of many forms of life. We walk on it, build on it, and grow our food in it. Every step we take, every building we construct, and every meal we eat is connected to the soil. It is the bedrock of human civilization and natural ecosystems alike. But soil is much more than just dirt. It is a living, breathing world teeming with life. Within a handful of soil, there are billions of microorganisms, each playing a vital role in maintaining the health of our planet. It is a living, breathing world teeming with life. From tiny insects to intricate root systems, soil is a bustling hub of activity. These organisms break down organic matter, recycle nutrients, and help plants grow. It is the foundation of our ecosystems and the basis of our food chain. Without healthy soil, plants would struggle to grow and the entire food web would be disrupted. Soil supports the growth of forests, grasslands, and agricultural fields. Without soil, our planet would be a barren and lifeless place. Imagine a world without the vibrant colors of nature, without the green of forests or the gold of wheat fields. Soil is the canvas on which the masterpiece of life is painted. There would be no lush forests, no flowering meadows, and no food to nourish us. The beauty and bounty of nature are all rooted in the soil. It is the source of the nutrients that sustain plant life, which in turn sustains animal life, including humans. Understanding soil is crucial for our survival and the health of our planet. Scientists and farmers alike study soil to learn how to protect and improve it. By caring for the soil, we ensure a sustainable future for generations to come. The silent foundation beneath our feet holds the key to life itself. Soil plays a vital role in countless aspects of our lives. For farmers, it is the lifeblood of their crops, providing essential nutrients and support. In construction, it forms the very foundation of our homes, roads, and cities. And for the environment, soil acts as a giant sponge, absorbing and filtering water, regulating climate, and providing a habitat for a vast array of organisms. From the smallest microbes to towering trees, life on Earth depends on this thin, precious layer of soil. Soil formation is a slow and fascinating process that takes place over thousands of years. It begins with the weathering of rocks. Wind, rain, ice, and temperature changes gradually break down these rocks into smaller and smaller particles. This process is aided by living organisms like lichens and mosses, which release chemicals that further break down the rock. Organic matter, such as decomposed leaves and animal remains, then mixes with these mineral particles. Over time, this complex mixture transforms into the fertile soil that sustains life. Did you know that soil comes in a variety of colors and textures? Soil is much more than just dirt beneath our feet. It's a complex and dynamic natural resource that plays a crucial role in supporting life on Earth. From the food we eat to the air we breathe, soil is an integral part of our ecosystem. Just like the diverse life it supports, soil itself is incredibly varied. The type of soil in a region can determine the kinds of plants that grow there, the animals that live there, and even the human activities that can be sustained. Soil diversity is a reflection of the environmental conditions and geological history of an area. There are 6 main types of soil, each with its unique characteristics: sandy, clay, silt, loamy, peaty, and chalky. Understanding these types can help us make better decisions in agriculture, gardening, and land management. Sandy soil feels gritty and drains quickly. Think of a beach. This type of soil is composed of large particles, which means it doesn't hold water well. However, it warms up quickly in the spring and is easy to cultivate. It's good for crops that need good drainage, like watermelon. Sandy soil is also ideal for root vegetables such as carrots and potatoes, which thrive in loose, well-drained conditions. Clay soil feels sticky when wet and drains slowly. This type of soil is made up of very fine particles that can compact easily, making it dense and heavy. While it can be challenging to work with, clay soil is rich in nutrients. It's good for making pottery. In agriculture, clay soil is beneficial for crops that require a lot of nutrients and moisture, such as rice and broccoli. However, it needs careful management to prevent waterlogging. Silt soil feels smooth and silky. It is made up of medium-sized particles and retains moisture better than sandy soil. Silt soil is fertile and can support a wide range of plant life. It's found near rivers and is good for growing crops. Silt soil is often deposited by floodwaters, making river valleys and deltas some of the most fertile agricultural regions in the world. Loamy soil is a perfect balance of sand, silt and clay. It is considered the ideal soil for most plants because it retains moisture and nutrients well while still allowing for good drainage. It's the ideal soil for most plants. Loamy soil is easy to work with and supports a wide variety of crops, from vegetables to fruit trees. It is often referred to as gardener's gold. Imagine a rich garden bed. This is the kind of environment loamy soil creates, fostering healthy plant growth and vibrant gardens. Peaty soil is rich in organic matter and feels spongy. It is formed in wet, boggy areas where plant material decomposes slowly. It's found in bogs and is good for growing acid-loving plants. Peaty soil is excellent for plants like blueberries and azaleas, which thrive in acidic conditions. Chalky soil contains chalk and is alkaline. This type of soil is often stony and can be challenging to work with, but it has good drainage. It's good for growing plants that prefer less acidic soil. Chalky soil is ideal for plants like lavender and lilacs, which thrive in alkaline conditions. Understanding the type of soil you have can help you choose the right plants and improve your gardening success. Section 5. The right soil for the right job. Just like you wouldn't wear a swimsuit to a snowstorm, different plants thrive in different soil types. Understanding your soil type is crucial for successful gardening, farming, and even construction. For instance, sandy soil is great for root crops like carrots, while clay soil is better suited for crops like rice that need lots of water. Engineers carefully analyze soil properties before constructing buildings, roads, and bridges to ensure stability and safety. Section 6. Unearthing the secrets beneath your feet. Take a moment to explore the soil in your backyard or a nearby park. What color is it? Is it a rich, dark brown or perhaps a lighter sandy hue? The color of the soil can tell you a lot about its composition and fertility. Darker soils often contain more organic matter, which is beneficial for plant growth. Now feel the texture of the soil. Is it gritty or smooth? Gritty soil usually has a higher sand content, while smooth soil is often rich in clay. The texture can affect how well the soil retains water and nutrients, which is crucial for the health of your plants. Next, take a handful of soil and try to form a ball. Does it clump together or crumble easily? Soil that clumps together might have more clay, which can hold water but may also become compacted. Soil that crumbles easily is likely to be sandy, which drains well but might not retain nutrients as effectively. By observing these simple characteristics, you can begin to understand the properties of your local soil. This knowledge can help you make better decisions about gardening, landscaping, and even building projects. Different plants thrive in different types of soil, so knowing what you have can guide your choices. You can even conduct a simple soil test using a jar, water, and a few hours. This test can give you a more detailed understanding of your soil's composition, including the proportions of sand, silt, and clay. To start, fill the jar about 1/3 full with soil from your yard or garden. Make sure to remove any large debris like rocks or roots. Next, add water until the jar is nearly full. Screw the lid on tightly and shake the jar vigorously for several minutes to break up the soil particles and mix them thoroughly with the water. After shaking, let the jar sit undisturbed for several hours or even overnight. The different soil particles will settle in layers, revealing the composition of your soil. Sand will settle at the bottom, followed by silt, and clay will be on top. This simple test can provide valuable insights into the type of soil you have and how to improve it for better plant growth. Section 7. Soil and the circle of life. Soil is not just a bunch of dirt, it's a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life. Billions of tiny organisms like bacteria, fungi, and insects call soil their home. These organisms play a vital role in decomposing organic matter, releasing nutrients back into the soil, and creating a healthy environment for plants to grow. This intricate web of life in the soil is essential for the health of our planet. It helps to regulate our climate, filter our water, and support the biodiversity of life on Earth. That's Section 8, the fragile skin of our Earth. Despite its importance, soil is a finite resource that is facing increasing threats. Erosion, pollution, and unsustainable agricultural practices are degrading soil health at an alarming rate. When topsoil, the fertile upper layer, is lost, it can take hundreds of years to replenish naturally. This loss of soil fertility threatens food security, water quality, and the delicate balance of our ecosystems. It is a silent crisis that demands our attention and action.